Pitt's India Act is often seen as a step toward what broader process in British India? The correct answer is B. Increased governmental control and eventual crown rule. Which of these was a limitation of Pitt's India Act criticized by contemporaries? The correct answer is C. It created confusion by splitting authority between two bodies. After Pitt's Act, who continued to appoint civil servants for commercial posts in India? The correct answer is C. The Court of Directors. Pitt's India Act required that the company could not pursue independent political treaties without whose consent? The correct answer is B. The Board of Control. Was the Governor-General's authority over Madras and Bombay strengthened or weakened by the 1784 Act? The correct answer is B. Strengthened. Which earlier scandal and administrative problems partly motivated Pitt's India Act reforms? The correct answer is B. Abuses and corruption in company rule exposed in the 1770s. Pitt's India Act increased accountability of the company's administration to whom? The correct answer is C. The British government and Parliament. Which British political office holder was typically involved in the Board of Control after Pitt's Act? The correct answer is B. Members of the British government and ministers. Which of the following best describes the dual government set up by the Act? The correct answer is B. Shared control between the British government and the East India Company over different functions. What did the Act require regarding military and political correspondence with India? The correct answer is B. They were to be under the supervision of the Board of Control. Pitt's India Act applied to which company? The correct answer is C. East India Company. Which of the following was not a direct effect of Pitt's India Act? The correct answer is C. Immediate abolition of the company. Pitt's India Act required cooperation between the Board of Control and the Court of Directors primarily to achieve what? The correct answer is B. Ensure harmonized political supervision and commercial management.